Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover Unit 8 and Day 12. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have student reader, workbook, pencil, eraser along with you. Let us move to our today's class. Yes, first of all we will see the phonics session. My dear children, in this session I will say two words. And you have to tell me if they belong to the same word family. Yes. If the two words belong to the same word family means you will say yes. Okay. I'll say right. Are you ready? Yes. Now I'll say the word run, fun. Run, fun. Is this the same word family? Yes, great my dear children. Next, I'll say again some examples. Gun, bun. Gun, bun. Can you guess that? Yes, it is a same word family. Next one. Gut, sun. Gut, sun. Is this the same word family? No, it is not a same word family. Next. Nut, sub. Nut, sub. Is this the same word family? No, this is not a same word family. Now, I will show the CRL. You will listen carefully, okay? Yes. Are you ready, my dear children? Great, Kutima. See this? Which words are part of the same family? See that? Hot, hut, cut. Which has the same word family? Yes, hut and cut is the same word family, right? Do you understand? Hut and cut are the same word family. See the next example. Which word are parts of the same family? Run, cut, bun. Can you guess the answer? Great. Run and bun. See that? Run and bun are the same word family. Yes. Next. Cup, sub, gut. Yes. Which words are the part of the same family? Can you guess the answer, my dear kids? Yes. Cup and sub are the same word family. See that? Cup and sub are the same word family. Next, see that which words are the same family? Tub, rub, pot. Which are the same word family? Yes. Tub and rub are the same word family. See this, tub and rub are the same word family. Let us move some more example. See this, bug, jug, pot. Which words are the part of the same family? Yes, bug and jug are the same word family. See that? Bug and jug are the same word family. So, are you clear, my dear children? Same word family means middle and end sound are the same. Now, you are clear from that. Which are the same word family? Yes. Next, let us move to the whole word section. Now we are going to write a dictation for some whole words. Are you ready, my dear children? Yes. Now you will take your notebook and then rule pencil, take the whole word section page. I'll give you 5 seconds time. You have to open that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Right. You will write some spellings without anybody help. Okay. Now I will show you a word. Say it and you have to write it down in your notebook on your own. Don't see others. Okay. Are you ready? Yes. I hope you are all ready. Yes. Under. 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 I'll give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. I hope you are all. Write it. Next. Without. 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 I'll give you 10 seconds time. You have to complete this. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Next. Anywhere, 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 anywhere. Can you identify the word? Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, I hope you are all finished. Write neatly, my dear children. Yes. Next. Different. 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 Yes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. I hope you are all finished. Next. Learning, 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 learning. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Next. About. 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 Can you identify the word? About. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. Write neatly, my dear children. Next. Yet. 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 Start counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Next. Made. 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 Yes, I start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Next. Berries. 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 Yes, I start counting. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. I hope you are all finished. Next, last one. People. 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 Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, my dear children. Whole word section dictation finished. Now we have to correct the spelling for our whole words. My dear children, in your SR book having whole word section, new words, right? What I said first, under. You have to check out your answers. Under, without, anywhere, different, learning. Then what I said about, it, made, berries and people. I'll give you 1 minute time. Just you have to correct your spellings, my dear children. If you make a mistake means you have to write three times in your whole word section. Okay, see this. Okay, yes, great, my dear children. Yes, great, my dear children. Now let us move to the reading and listening comprehension section. From this section we have to see a new story from your SR book. You will open your SR book, SR 12, page number 76. I'll give you 5 seconds time. You have to open that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, I hope you are all opened your SR book. Then my dear children, this is the SR book SR 12 and also you have to open your worksheet number 19, question number 2. Page number 98. I'll give you 5 seconds time. That also you have to open. Get ready. Okay. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. See this. This is the worksheet number 19. Question number 2. You also get ready. Okay. Yes. Yes. Shall we read this story? You keep your finger or pencil. Okay. Different but same. Author Kamal Ramachandani. Illustrations Giddy Bendha. I come home from school. I tell my mother what I learned. அதாவது ஸ்கூலுக்கு போய் என்ன கற்றுக்கிட்டான்னு சொல்கிறாங்க இல்லையா. You also you have to say about your mom from this video what you learned today. Okay. Yes. We learned about the tribal people. Tribal means see this. Tribal, இவங்க தான் பழங்குடி மக்கள். We learned about the tribal people. They live in the forest. Where they live? They live in the forest. They live in the forest. Let us move to the next page. We live in the city. We live in the city. நாம் எங்க வசிக்கிறோம்? சிட்டில வசிக்கிறோம். They eat fruits and berries. என்ன சாப்பிடுறாங்க அவங்க? They eat fruits and berries. They eat fruits and berries, right? Yes. We eat dal and rice. We have to eat dal and rice. We eat dal and rice. Next, we wear cotton and woolen clothes, right? We wear cotton and woolen clothes, right? Sweater, cotton dresses we have to wear, right? Yes, let us see the next page, my dear children. They wear clothes made from leaves. இலைகளை வச்சு அவங்க ட்ரெஸ் போடுறாங்க இல்லையா. They wear clothes made from leaves. They wear clothes made from leaves. Next page. They live in the huts made of straw. குடிசையில வசிக்கிறாங்க எப்படி straw. Right? They live in the huts made of straw. Where we have to live, my dear children? Yes, we live in houses made of bricks. Made of bricks. செங்கல்ல கட்டின வீட்ல தான் நாம இருக்கோம், right? We live in the houses made of bricks. We also different yet same. We also different yet same. நாம different இருக்கோம் அவங்கள விட, right? We also different yet same. See that? We all live in India. We all are Indians. We are all live in India. We are all Indians, right? Yes. Again, I will read this story, my dear children. You also compare with your worksheet. Different but same. Author Kamal Ramachandani. Illustrations Giti Benha. I come home from school. I tell my mother what I learned. We learnt about the tribal peoples. They live in the forest. We live in the city. They eat fruits and berries. We eat dal and rice. We wear cotton and woolen cloths. They wear cloths made from leaves. They live in the huts made of straw. We live in the houses made of bricks. We are so different yet same. We all live in India. We are all Indians. See the vocabulary words from this. Tribal, Palangudi Makkal. Leaves, what is that? Illegal. Bricks, Sengal. Woolen, see that, sweater like that. Straw, city. These are all the vocabulary words from this, right? Yes. Shall we do the worksheet? Are you ready? Yes. See this. Circle the pictures that matches the meaning of the underlined word. We learned about the tribal people. Which one is the correct picture? Tribal means Palangudi Makkal, right? Which one is the correct one? You have to circle this. Next, Raj lives in the city. Where is that picture correct? This is a hut. This is a city. Village, city. You have to circle this, right? Yes. Next, we also do this worksheet number 20, question number 1 also. They wear cloths made from leaves. They wear cloths made from leaves. Where is the correct picture? Leaves. Yes, you have to circle this. Next, we wear cotton and woolen cloths. Right? Which one? Woolen. This one. Next, they live in huts made of straw. Which one is the correct? Here, you have to circle. We put which is the underlined word, that one you have to circle, right? We live in the houses made of bricks. Bricks, which is that? This one, you have to circle this. Great, Kutima. Say this, my dear children. Check out your answers, this one. Leaves, woolen, straw, bricks. If you make a mistake, correct it, okay? Yes. We read that story, right? Do you tell your mother what you learn, what you do in school? Yes, hereafter you will tell your mom what you learned from school daily, okay? Yes. Where do tribal people live, my dear children? You have to open your essay book and tell me the answer. Yes, they live in a forest. What do tribal people eat? Yes, they eat fruits and berries. What do tribal people wear? Yes, they wear clothes made of leaves, right? Do you understand from this story, my dear children? Great, Kutima. Next, we are going to the grammar session. In this grammar session, we learnt about the preposition, position of words. What are that? See this. Prepositions, words that tell us about the position of a naming word, what they doing, right? The girl is on the bed. Bed மேல இருக்காங்க. Next, where is the ball? The ball is in the box. Where is the dog? The dog is near the house. Next, What is the boy? The boy is doing into the water. The boy is going into the water, right? From this unit we learned 4 prepositions: on, in, near and into, right? Now shall we do one worksheet from this? Yes. Now you will open your worksheet number 20, question number 2, page number 99. I'll give you 5 seconds time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes. See this, my dear children. Choose the correct word to complete the each sentence. Now you will look at the picture, read the sentence and fill in the blanks with correct from the bracket. Are you ready, my dear children? You have to take your rule pencil also. Yes. See this? The leaf is dash the tree. See that leaf? Where is the leaf now? In or near? Which one is the correct answer? Yes, near. What is the correct answer from this? Near. You have to write it near here. Next. The bug is dash the dog. See the bug? Where is the bug here? Where is the bug? Yes, the bug is on the dog. Dog meladana irukku, right? On the dog. Are you ready? Yes, you will write that answer. Next, the yo-yo is dash in the box. Where is the yo-yo? Yes, the yo-yo is in the box. Box kulladana irukku, right? In, I-N, you will write it. Next, the fish jumps dash the pond. See that what he is doing? The fish jumps into the pond. It is the correct answer. Check out your answers, my dear children. Near, on, in, into. I'll give you 1 minute time. You have to check out your answers. If you make a mistake means you will correct it. The leaf is near the tree. The bug is on the dog. The yo-yo is in the box. The fish jumps into the pond. Yes, great, my dear children. I hope you are all finished this. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the writing and speaking expression skill. We all have completed writing our sentences about our drawing in the previous class, right? Let us make sure they are correct by the following 3 steps. What are that? CAF strategy. What is that? CAF strategy, right? Yes. These sentences you have to complete in your notebook, right? This is about your drawings also. You have to fill these dashes, right? Did you complete this, my dear children? Now you will open your writing and speaking expression skill in your notebook. Okay, I'll give you 5 seconds time. You have to open that. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Now you have to take the first page and write it neatly. I'll give you 1 minute time. You have to complete that. Okay? Yes. Great, my dear children. If you are all finished, now I want to all you narrate your story to your mom or dad. Okay, show your drawings and also you have to reading your edited sentences. Now I will speak about my drawing. This festival is Diwali. We wear new clothes on this day. We give gifts to each other. We have fun with family. Once again, this festival is Diwali. We wear new clothes on this day. We give gifts to each other. We have fun with family. This is about my drawing, my dear children. This like you have to show your drawing and also show your edited sentences. Tell about narrate your drawings in your home independently. Okay, my dear children. Yes, from today's class what we learned, shall we recall? In phonics section we have learnt about the same word family. We saw some examples. Then whole word section we wrote some dictations. Then reading and listening comprehension we read one story, different but same, right? Then grammars page, again we learnt about the preposition. We did worksheet. Then writing and speaking expressions, we use the CAF strategy. We edited our sentences. After that we speak about our drawings, right? Yes. Today's homework, you have to read the story different but same in your home. Okay. Bye. Thank you. Happy learning, my dear children. Be safe.